Good morning and welcome back to the Vietnam Motorbike Trip. So today we'll be going to Phong Nha, which is along the Ho Chi Minh Road, which is supposed to be a fantastic ride. It's a long ride today, around 200 kilometers. But it's supposed to be very beautiful and a fantastic road to ride on. And I think it gets better as the day goes on. Yeah, Phong Nha is known for all of its caves. I haven't decided if I'm going to stay an extra day to do some of the cave stuff or not. Depends on the weather. We'll see how it goes. If not, I'll be heading up. Anyway, I got the room booked. Got myself a good breakfast. Got the bike filled up. Got to that ATM and got that cash. Otherwise, it would have been a very short trip today. Anyway, I'll see you out on the road. Literally no turns today, this drive. I believe this road is this narrow the whole way. It's pretty narrow. This is the Ho Chi Minh Road, not the Ho Chi Minh Trail. I think they do intersect, but most of the Ho Chi Minh actual trail is all off-road, and mostly in Laos. So this is the Ho Chi Minh Road, and there's also the Ho Chi Minh Highway, which is just the title of the I think the QL1, the main road that runs through Vietnam. So this is the Ho Chi Minh Road. You got the Ho Chi Minh Highway and the Ho Chi Minh Trail. Once again, it's fairly chilly. It's in the 60s this morning. It's a wonderful thing, really. Okay. Looks like a party. Wait. Ooh, smell good. They cooking something good. It smells like some pho. If you've never had pho, if you've never been to Vietnam, never been to a Vietnamese restaurant, pho has a very distinct smell. It's like you can walk by a restaurant and instantly tell it's on the menu. I don't think there's a straight line in this road. I think it does this the entire way too. Let's take a minute and admire the scenery. It's beautiful. Check this out. Gorgeous. Hello. Hello. Maybe? I don't know. What a beautiful what a beautiful little spot for a village. Wow. So far this little place is one of the best locations as far as beautifulness goes. Still about 100 kilometers away from a destination. Oh, you gotta slap kids' hands. It's really almost like too much to record. You just have hours of footage of this beautiful scenery. You're going to enjoy the scenery and get on down the road. Well, we've come to some dirt roads. Nine kilometers away. Okay, let's hope this don't last too long. Well, hell yeah. Yeah, we're on the map that, according to... Alright. I think it's the first off-roading we're doing, or off-roading, I say. No, that's actually... Okay. Well then. Should be interesting. have to turn the camera back on. The road for the last couple of kilometers to the hotel, this is it. Yeah, pretty amazing. Anyway, I'm gonna head that way to the hotel. Yeah, I cannot right place for the hotel. Sits right here on the river. You can see a little view from my room here. With the pool, although it's very chilly, so. They showed me some options for like cave tours and stuff. The cave tours are actually very expensive here. Even like, they're like Western prices. Like one of the things was like a 4.5 hour tour, and it was like, it was 2 million, not 2 million. Yeah, around over 2 million Vietnamese dong, which is around $80, $90. So I don't think I'll be doing that. Seems kind of excessive. I'm sure they're beautiful, but I've been in a lot of caves and they all sort of look the same unless it's got some real unique like stalagmite or stalactite formations. I think I'll just be staying for one night and I will be continuing on. But the day's ride was fantastic through the mountains. I'm sure somebody has counted how many turns there are on the Ho Chi Minh Road, but it has to be in the thousands. If you wasn't good at turns on a motorbike by the time you started, you would be well versed, as well as ascents and descents. Oh, this area is absolutely beautiful. I will continue on tomorrow, and I think to Vinh, V-I-N-H, shower, food. So enjoy yourself. It's later than you think.